Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shyler. Today we are going to be learning how to make a very simple bikini top that can match any bikini bottom at the beach or shorts. So for the materials, you'll need a measuring tape, a pair of scissors, a 2.75mm crochet hook, and for the yarn I'll be using Robin 100% acrylic, and I'll be doubling the strand. So let's get started. So you're going to grab your hook and then grab your yarn. You're going to start off with a slip knot, and then you're going to chain up a chain that runs from your nipple down to the base of your breast. So I'm doing a size medium, so I'll make a chain of 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. And these are my 16 chains. Then you're going to chain up 3 more and then go into the 4th chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, and into the 4th you will place a double crochet. Then you will continue to place 1 double crochet in each and every chain. All the way down. So we've placed 1 double crochet in each and every chain across. So when you come to the very last chain, we've placed our very last double crochet here, but we want to place 2 more double crochets in there. So there will be a total of 3 double crochets in that last chain. And then you'll chain up 2 and then go into that very last chain and place 3 more double crochets. Like that. And now that means the very last chain has 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 more double crochets. So we're going to go to this other side of the chain and place 1 double crochet in each and every chain. So we are working on the back side of the chain, and make sure you go into each and every stitch with 1 double crochet. And then go into the very last chain, the very last stitch with 1 double crochet. So this is what you should have. This is our chain 2 at the top of the stitch. And now after this you're going to chain up 3. We're going to row 2, chain 3, turn your work, go into the second chain from the hook, into the second stitch. So this chain 3 is attached to the very first stitch, so you'll go into the second stitch with 1 double crochet, and continue to double crochet all the way up to when you get to the chain to space. So 1 double crochet in each and every stitch until you get to the chain to space. So I'm continuing to place 1 double crochet in each and every stitch until the chain to space. So this is the very last stitch before the chain to space, and in the chain to space you're going to place 2 double crochets, chain 2, and 2 more double crochets, and then go into the next stitch with a double crochet and 1 double crochet all the way down, 1 double crochet into each and every stitch. And this is the row that we are going to keep repeating until we get the full coverage for our bust area. So I'm continuing to place 1 double crochet into each and every double crochet below. Don't forget to go into that very last stitch with a double crochet. This just helps us to get a flat base for our bra cup. So after this, for row 3 you will chain up 3, turn your work, place 1 double crochet in the second double crochet and all the way up to the chain to space, where you will put 2 double crochets, chain 2, and 2 double crochets, all in that chain to space at the tip of the bra cup. So let me keep going. This row 3 is the same exact thing that we did for row 2. Okay, so when you get to the chain to space, you're going to place 2 double crochets, chain 2, and 2 more double crochets. And then go into the next stitch with a double crochet and all the way down. So I'm going to continue working until I get the full coverage for the bra cup that I need, and then I'll get back when I have my bra cup ready. Alright, so here we are. I did a total of 7 rows, and now we're going to do something different. We're going to go across the bottom of the bra cup with double crochets. So chain up 3, place 2 double crochets in each and every row. So 2 for this very first row, then 2 double crochets into the second row, then 2 double crochets into the third row, and all the way across. Continue to do this until the end of the bra cup. So 2 double crochets into each and every row. So here we are, we've placed our 2 double crochets in here, and we're going to go into the very last stitch with a double crochet, and this is what you should have. Alright, so you're going to go ahead and do that same exact thing for your second bra cup. You do the same number of rows, and then do this row that goes across the base of the bra cup. So I finished my second bra cup, and this is how they look like together. They should be almost the same because we've used the same exact hook, same yarn and everything. So this is how they look like, and now we are going to get our hook, and now we're going to be making straps for the top part of the bra cup. So you're going to attach your yarn at the very top of your bra cup, and then we're going to chain up 3, double crochet in that same space, chain up 3, double crochet in the space between these 2 stitches, and you're going to repeat that, chain 3, double crochet in the space between the 2 stitches, and I'm going to do a total of 30 segments. So these are only 4. I'm going to go ahead and do a total of 30. And then I'll attach my yarn to the second bra cup and do the same exact thing. Alright, so this is what we have right now. I've done the same exact thing both on this bra cup and on this bra cup. You can see the straps, the way they look like. They're a bit stronger than just a plain chain, and then they have some design to it, which brings some detail to the straps. Then this is the same exact thing that's on this side, and now I'm going to be showing you what to do from here. You're going to make a basic chain of around 300-400 chains. I don't know what you prefer, but this should be longer than the measurement around your rib cage, below your bust, below your breasts. So after making this chain, I've already made mine. This is just a basic chain, so I'm going to be showing you what to do from here. Let me put away this. You're going to grab your chain, this one, and then go into, you count 3 stitches in. So this chain 3 counts as one of the stitches. So 1, 2, 3, and put your hook through and skip 2 stitches and bring it out after the very first stitch that you counted. So this is what we have. Then from here we are going to go in and out of every 2 stitches. So 2 stitches here, so these are 2 and these are 2, so go into this gap and come out from the middle of those 4 stitches like that. Then pull through this strap. Then do the same thing, count 1 2 3 4, go in, come out after the first 2 stitches. So that's what we are going to do. We are going in and out of every 2 stitches. If you have a tapestry needle, this would be very easy for you because you just need to just go like this. But this can do for now, as long as you don't confuse the pattern, the flow of the stitches. So this will entirely depend on the width of your backup. Where you stop depends on how wide your backup is. But I stopped at this point where I have 3 stitches left, so I'll skip those 2 and then go in like that. So after this, you're going to grab your next backup and then come out after the first stitch. I'm doing this because that's what's reflecting on this side. So this side is down, so I'll have to also go down onto this side. So I hope that makes sense. I'm just trying to explain it the best way I can. Then you're going to continue going in and out of every 2 stitches. Again, if you have a tapestry needle, use that. This is the best time to use it so that you don't get confused. And this is how I've ended the other side of the backup. And this is how our bikini top looks like. So this strap will go to the back of your body and tie there. These strings here, these ones will go to the back of your neck. Like this. And then if you find that the advantage of this top is that you can always adjust it along this string. If you want a bigger gap in between the top, you can always just drag the backup along that string. And yeah, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that you know whenever I post new videos. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.